Tired of the bags without a style that all look the same? Discover Bag Factor's Crossbody Sling, bags for everyday carry with titanium. Fusion Tech Sling with 2.5 liters capacity, fits iPad mini and Nintendo Switch. Tech-inspired, sleek design. Max Kremen 1 liter capacity designer EDC, Crossbody Sling Bag. Titanium pivots add tech vibes and allow multiple wear options. Sleek minimalist design for modern lifestyles. Minimalist 1 Crossbody Sling Bag for everyday carry. Perfect for phone, keys, wallet, and small essentials. Multiple wear options. Elevate your style with Bag Factor,